Hello guys, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel BlairTech256. In this video tutorial I'm going to guide you on how to unlock ITEL 2173. So this is an ITEL phone and the user forgot the password. Okay, so as you can see, it is requesting for the password and the user forgot it. So I'm here to make your search done in case you forgot your ITEL 2173 password. So let us get started. So now what we need to do is to download Miracle Box. The download link will be under the description of this video, and you also need to download Miracle Box, like the Miracle Box drivers. Okay, so you need to download this. The download link will be under the description, and also the Miracle driver installation. The download link will be under the description. Here it is, the driver installation. Go ahead and extract it. Because I have already installed the Miracle Box, here it is. Now just install the Miracle driver installation. Go ahead and open it up. Let's close this. Now go ahead and click on agree. Next. Then first of all, install the Miracle Ego Box driver. Install it. So I had already installed it, so I just have to click on repair. Next. Then you're done, just click on mount. Now click on back. Again back. So go ahead and install the SPD drivers. So if your operating system is running on 32 bits, go ahead and install SPD 32 bits. So if you're running on 64 bits, your operating system is running on 64 bits, go ahead and install this. So my operating system, Windows 8, is running on 64 bits. I'm going to install this. Done. Now just close that. Now go ahead and open your Miracle Box. Open it up. Okay, wait for it. So here it is. Now what you need to do is to click on SPD right here, then click on read info, then head where you see choose type, click this, then scroll down and click on SPD 6631E SP. Click on that. Now go ahead and grab a USB cable, USB data cable, and then our phone is still powered on, requesting for the password. Go ahead and remove the battery. Remove the battery and insert it in again. Okay, now grab your USB and you plug it in your computer. And now on your computer, go ahead and click start. Now on our phone, we are going to click on this button right here, this button with the dots. Click on it, then grab the USB and you plug it in. So now the computer will go ahead and detect the phone and it reads the password. Okay, so as you can see right there, the computer is reading the information of the phone plus the unlock codes and everything. Okay, so just let it be. Now it is unlocked, and here's the code that you see right here, unlock code. Okay, so go ahead and remove the USB. Now remove the battery and insert the battery again. Power on the phone. Now we are going to use this code which is provided right here for 8. 1, it is 8 8 8 8, as you can see right there. So go ahead and click on enter, then the phone is unlocked. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and the miracle box too will be under the description of this video, plus the drivers. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.